Hey there everybody, it's Linnea and I'm here with you today for a Whimsy Stamps product intro video. So today I'm sharing the new Spooks and Spells stamp set that is just being released today. This stamp set is a 4x6 stamp set with 2 sentiments and a bunch of Halloween images. There are 7 colorable images in the stamp set and then the 2 sentiments, so bringing your total stamp count in this 4x6 stamp set to 9 stamps. And these are so adorable, so I thought I would just stamp them out for you. I'm just going to use some black ink because I think that it makes it easier to look at a stamp set once I stamp them out. So I thought that I would do that as I just kind of talk you through this Spooks and Spells stamp set. So there are some cute little images like the bat and the spider that go along with that sentiment that says, "You're just my blood type." I think that's so punny and so cute. And then Spooks and Spells, of course, would go with these little potion bottles or the cauldron. And I love how there are 2 sizes of these little stars and swirls to kind of fill in your background and decorate a card. So here's some inspiration that I have for you, and I will have a technique tutorial for this card coming in just a few days, so make sure to come back to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel for that. I'll be showing you how to use the new Spooks and Spells stamp set along with a background stamp and some stencils to create this cute little Halloween card. So I hope you enjoyed this product intro video for the Spooks and Spells stamp set. Remember to come back to the Whimsy Stamps blog for more inspiration. See you soon. Bye!